World-class mobile phone manufacturer DOOGEE is making its mark in the industry with its state-of-the-art rugged smartphone lineup. Only recently, the brand launched the beastly DOOGEE S86 with outstanding specifications. The phone offers the complete package: sleek performance, huge memory, top-notch cameras, and almost undying battery life. Now the new S86 will be joined by another sibling to stand by its side. The new partner to DOOGEE's upper-tier rugged smartphone portfolio is called the S86 Pro. As the name suggests, it is said to have a S86 bump-up specs and it's sure to impress. The most intriguing update is the introduction of inbuilt thermometer feature. This feature is really important since we are all in the middle of the pandemic and the temperature check is very important. The introduction of this feature in this era is an example of engineering ingenuity and innovation we have come to expect from the giant rugged phone manufacturer. It's also being confirmed that S86 Pro offers upgraded memory from 6 to 8 GB and will retain the same 128 GB of internal memory size. The phone will also be powered by 12nm Helio P60 processor. On the back, the 860 Pro will feature 16-megapixel AI main camera, an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The force port in the camera bump is replaced with a temperature sensor. The front camera is still an 8-megapixel AI selfie camera. The display is 6.1 inches in size and made of Corning Gorilla Glass, making it resistant to scratches and breakage. The phone is IP68, IP69K rated to mil-STD 810G certified. The phone is set to launch today on the DOOGEE's official Banggood, AliExpress and Amazon stores with a discounted price of only $169.99 between today's to June 20th, so hurry up and grab your new DOOGEE S86 Pro right now. There is also a giveaway currently going on. Participate with get chance to win one of 5 S86 Pro or one of 5 DOOGEE's DigiBand units. Be sure to visit the official DOOGEE's landing page to enter the giveaway. All links are down below the video. This is all for today. See you soon. Bye.